Halo ke jing keno aja kinong yalam ke BJP ba ke dan ke jing Pynthut na kapor sa kapor ya kinong trai ke ni ke seng san perthai da ki Pulit menteri ki kampo yeng jo sarkar jalao bala khamen Rymbui ulak kentai habai kram bikla pathai khubor bala khamen Rymbui ulong ba omdan manu ru bala ban Pynthut yanu ru lada kim shimle ya ka kam Beain da ni ga no ka kam ka basnew.
No officer of the government have the right to harass the people, the innocent people. But if there is anything which linked to the case for the sake of investigation, that the police are within the right to do the necessary thing to see and to substantiate the case. So this is a usual procedure of the case. I don't see there is any harassment. As I said, nobody is above the law. Even the police officer also do. They are the law implementing agency. They have no right to harass the innocent person.
Ulo ru badalei ru omla ban wengkam Yeu SP baru DC jangka West Garo Hills District halor ka jingdawa jaka BJP namar kine ki rangba sarkar kim shimle ke basnew hindrei kilale yala ka Kamram.
There is a massive raid on drug everywhere. So do you think that because of this thing, so somebody will demand that to stop this raid, or the police officer who raid this thing will be stopped? No. The duty of the police officer is to see that as much as possible, that to see that the law and order prevail, and moreover that all the criminal activities should be contained or eradicated. So removal of officers because of a demand of somebody or anything, that does not arise. But if they do anything which found wanting, which the law, in the eye of the law, that we have no other option but to do that.